everyone, and welcome to this video on the social media role for enhancing one's creativity. In this video, we will look at what creativity can do with social media, as well as what creative learnings and ideas we can get from it. And we will also take a look at the best ways to flourish your creativity. So before we proceed, let me introduce myself first. I am Marielle Bicog, the Creative Associate at Creative Nation Academy, a certified Adobe Creative Educator Level 1 and 2, HubSpot Academy Inbound and Inbound Marketing Certified. These are the certifications I received as Creative Associate at CNA. You can follow and subscribe our CNA social media accounts as it shows on your screens. Then let's proceed and let's tackle first who presently benefits the most from social media. Well, obviously, and no other than the Generation Z, who use social media platforms mostly to entertain themselves as it provides a place for them to feel free and relieve boredom. All of this is possible because social media fosters creativity and allowing users to make videos, snap images, start small businesses, and promote brands among other things. Then let's talk about what is social media role to enhance your creativity. Well, let's proceed in number 1. Number 1, social media can be a great source of inspiration. Well, social media are not the same as before, but today we use social media not just to communicate but also to be inspired. Before, people used to spend hours in libraries poring over books and manuscripts for fresh ideas and inspiration. But nowadays, most people can just go online and discover what they need. For example, the Pinterest. Pinterest contains interesting content that can help you generate fresh ideas. Similarly, we can follow many Facebook pages and YouTube channels to help us to come up with new creative ideas. And whatever information or material we require, there is almost certainly a paper, image, audio clip, or video that can help us spark our creativity. Then number 2, social media helps foster a sense of community among like-minded people. Sharing thoughts and ideas, exchanging messages, joining different groups, these are all part of the social media experience. It fosters a sense of community among family, friends, classmates, colleagues, and even strangers. Simply said, the ability to contribute in the development and maintenance of connections is what makes social media called social. And the third one is social media makes it easier for creatives to get valuable feedback from others. Getting feedback is a crucial part of learning and creative process, and social media serves as a dynamic platform for this purpose. When you post your creations or works online, others can freely express their opinions and thoughts on them. More people are likely to share it if they enjoy it, which will help the effort gain traction. In number 4, social media opens up learning opportunities. Well, nowadays, we have webinars, distance learning programs, and virtual classes, all of which are made possible by the internet and social media. Regardless of how some educators feel about online courses, social media is now used by an increasing number of individuals for educational purposes. In reality, many educators are exploring the transitioning from traditional teaching methods to sharing their knowledge through digital educational programs and research sharing platforms. The last one is number 5. Social media can be great marketing tools for your project. You can use social media to promote your works as well as gain followers. Creating a Facebook page, for example, it is a strategy that's being used by literally millions of companies, groups, and individuals to build a fan base. Similarly, job seekers use LinkedIn and other similar websites to share their CVs and portfolios to catch the attention of employers and recruiters. If you are a creative who's looking for more exposure and eventually earn some income from it, you might want to consider promoting your work through social media. It's free and opens up numerous opportunities for the work that you are passionate about. There's a lot of social media out there and you have to choose where platforms that you want to fit in. For example, in TikTok, a prominent social media app has managed to show the most all kinds of originality and creativity. What methods do people employ to spread fresh ideas? Easy. Due to their popularity and viewers in the videos, they create new TikTok trends like dance steps, lyrics, and use the popular hashtag related to their content. Many accounts post editing tutorials as well as to inspire other users to create their own. If you are one of them, you can get more ideas to produce creativity in your own ways. Well, if you are an artist or creative educator, you can also search or find some tutorial from YouTube. For example, our CNA YouTube channel, where there's provided video tutorial that you might want to learn, or you can watch some videos as your guide. Or choose other platforms such as Instagram and Facebook to flourish your creativity. There is so much creative work that is being done on social media nowadays. For example, the graphic arts. The graphic arts are also so creative on social media. You can post your graphic works on your Instagram account, so it's easy for the viewers to locate your works. And you can gain a client as well if they have seen your work attractively. And another example is video contents, such as video reels, memes, video compilations, video tutorial, and we can create more videos as long as we want. You can earn money from those videos as well by video ads or commercials, likers, and your unique and creative content can earn many subscribers or viewers by consistent posting your content. While there are benefits, as I mentioned earlier, I also agree that there's a lot of negative as well, particularly when many individuals become addicted to it and do not engage in productive work, and if you are in the wrong platform, it can hinder your creativity. Let me give you some tips on how or what are the best ways to use social media when flourishing your creativity. Social media has a set of disadvantages. It depends on how you use it. If you use it correctly, it could be a vital part of your personal or professional growth. These tips will help you be more mindful of how you use social media for enhancing your creativity. The first one is choose the right platform. It may be difficult to choose which social media platform is best suited for your creativity, but several options exist. For example, instead of merely putting your work on Facebook, you might want to join a virtual community of artists and creative individuals to get constructive criticism. This ensures that the feedback you receive comes from individuals that share your interests and skills. The next one is take time to verify your sources. Always take time to check and verify your sources to avoid spreading false information. Sharing such content could affect your credibility among your friends and followers on social media. So before clicking the share button, make sure the information you are about to share is accurate. The last one is avoid comparing yourself with others. Whether online or offline, comparisons can be unhealthy and toxic. It's one of the reasons why some people feel insecure and not contented. And in some cases, comparisons can have an adverse impact on one's productivity, creativity, and quality of work. So be sure to make a conscious effort to avoid comparing yourself with others. The outcome of your work can be beneficial and positive if you stay focused and committed to your work. So overall, for enhancing one's creativity, the social media role is to inspire, fosters community, provide easier way of receiving valuable feedback, opens up learning opportunities, and social media can also serve as a marketing tools. And especially don't forget the 3 tips of the best ways to use social media when flourishing creativity. The first one is choose the right platform. Next is verify your resources. And the last one is be committed on your work. Well, for overall discussion, social media applications clearly encourage creativity in today's generation, as it has evolved in a large, innovative, and creative fashion throughout the years. These generations have learned to apply those approaches and turn them into new ideas for investing money. Dancing, learning, and inspiring rather than sitting on a sofa watching a machine do all the work. They share a variety of skills, including talents, among others. And social media applications are no longer the future but the present. And everything has its own set of pros and cons. It depends on how you use it. And that's all for today's episode. I hope you have learned from this topic, especially on how you can use social media as a tool to enhance your creativity. And please kindly visit and subscribe the CNA page to be updated for more upcoming episodes. So once again, I am Marielle Bicog, the Creative Associate at CNA. Thank you and God bless.